Hello ka-fam! Welcome to our channel. Isang araw, isang pahina ng aming buhay. So why we wanted to have a play area at home? Having all of these toys doesn't mean that we are rich. We will be sharing in this video how we were able to have this play area kahit hindi kami mayaman. These toys were chosen to develop Claire's life skills and enjoy her childhood because children learn best while playing. Claire used to be very shy and isolated. That's why I invested in play program until she learned how to interact with other kids and started to talk a lot. I mean non-stop.
You start play area tour! Let's go!
Nabili to namin kasi sale. Nag-sale siya, kaya na-afford namin bilhin. Kaya,
Yes. Go!
smells good.
Yeah.
She got this from her Christmas socks last year
And
from
this
Santa
one
Claus.
too!
Umbrella noong nag-ballet recital siya.
Yeah, like this. Yeah.
With his props.
For your first time in forever, I'll be dancing through the night.
Dinagyang Iloilo.
So funny.
Make sure namin na hindi dumudoble yung mga toys niya. So, para may variety siya ng toys. So, iba-iba. Napapadaan ako sa Jollibee or McDonald's. So, chinecheck ko to laging mga ganito. Ako na talaga. Birthday gift kay Claire.
Yeah.
You were 4 years old, no?
Bird.
Giza Egypt McDonald's. Ayan.
Yeah.
Nangongolekta ako ng mga toys. Tapos,
Yeah.
kinikip ko para ipasalubong kay Claire dito sa Pilipinas.
Yeah.
Lalagyan ng
Pencils!
Cute.
This is my favorite churros.
Rock and roll.
Rock and roll.
This is also one of my gifts for Claire's 3rd birthday. Birthday gift to you, right? Parang mga 4 years old yata siya. Usually yung mga nabibili ko, mga
My
sale
baby
yun.
all of two.
Naging ganito siya karami kasi collection na siya from first toys ni Claire Lalu hanggang ngayon. So, 5 years na yung mga toys na ito. Kaya iba luma, iba super bago. Kaya nako-collect namin siya ng ganito kasi naiingatan, nililinis, kinikip ng maayos. Kasi sayang naman pag bili tayo ng bili ng bago. So, ingatan yung mga toys mo.
take care of our toys.
Yes, take care of your
Happy.
toys so they will last longer. Tadee!
Happy.
Yeah, so ito yung first Barbie niya yata. Your first Barbie?
Yeah, I love it.
Pag Hello Kitty ang toy sa McDonald's, naku, iniisa-isa ko na talaga, bumibili talaga.
Yeah.
Eh, sinamahan ako ni Claire magpa-enroll sa university, tapos nabubore na siya. So, nabilhan ko tuloy ng toys.
Ta-da! I need the pony.
Yes! Tarara!
I love her already. What's your favorite?
This one. Super cute!
Yes, Fluttershy.
Fluttershy. Hindi dahil sa candies yung binibili namin, dahil sa lalagyan. Kasi super cute.
Yeah.
Ito yung first ever na binili ko na medyo pricey.
Yeah, that's my
So,
favorite.
this is my New Year's gift to her. Meron na kaming mga bigger appliances for her. 3 years ago pa yata to, or 2 years ago.
Come here, Nanay.
Yung slime, ito yung laging wini-wish ni Claire. At dahil sa paunti-unting bili ng mga fruits and vegetables, naging ganito na siya.
I love SHOPEE.
Siopaw!
This is my favorite pizza.
Lahat ng mga toys na nakikita nyo ngayon, siguro, ang masasabi ko na binili ko for my own money, siguro, mga 30% lang. Kasi, all of these, 70% of these, are gifts para kay Claire. So,
Yeah.
kinolek lang namin ng kinolek hanggang sa nagkaroon na siya ng ganito.
Just kidding.
These are for boys. Claire loves to play Legos too, right? We love Legos. This is Claire's favorite surprise.
Yeah.
egg.
Cinderella.
Yes, Cinderella there. Baby dinosaur there. An kong i-distract si Claire. Kaya, binili ko tong unicorn.
It's my gift from Santa Claus. And this is walking unicorns. Give it to me. Let me try. It's walking unicorn. Look at that. 1, 2, 3.
Yung isa sa mga birthday gift mo, no? 4 years old. I know, 5.
Yeah.
5, oh. Nabili ko din to dahil sale.
Look at this.
Sale is the key.
Did you know that you're really, truly my best friend?
I love you, Salvador.
This is my birthday gift. Let's see.
Yes, super nice. Huh?
Santa Claus.
Ah, another Santa's gift.
Yeah.
There, you take a look.
Ooh, what's so nice.
Mga larong Pinoy.
Tico.
Dinala niya yung yung lolo niya dun sa Toy Kingdom, tapos pinabili ito. Sabi ko sa inyo, yung mga toys dito na nakikita nyo, mostly hindi talaga ako yung bumili. Ako lang yung nag-organize at nag-arrange.
Yeah!
Through the years, 5 years din tong nakolekta ha. So,
Yeah.
kaya naging ganito siya karami. Ito naman yung mga costumes ni Claire. Her tutu dress, pag nagbaballet class si Claire. Ako ng ganitong tela, tapos ako na yung nagtahi. Who gave this to you, kay Claire?
Santa Claus?
Ang galing talaga ni Santa Claus. Alam yung mga gusto ni Claire.
Yeah.
Oh, who gave this to you again, kay Claire?
Santa.
Santa Claus again?
Hey, Pegasus loves me also.
Wow,
So perfect like that.
yes, like a princess. Like that. Like that. Claire, do you remember this teddy bear?
Yeah.
Where did we buy it?
On the SMC.
SMCP. Nakita niya tong teddy bear na to sa SM department store. Tapos, hinag niya na, tapos hindi niya na pinakawalan. Ayaw talaga. Ayaw niyang bumiti lang sa
Like
teddy
this,
bear.
like this.
Yes. Kaya, napasubo si nanay at nabili ang teddy bear na ito. 4 years old na din tong teddy bear na ito. Squishies namin, dinagdag namin dito para magkaroon ng laman.